Nagabenta ke khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Mynta ka Tyndong Lyer shet jingshet ne gas cylinder kala pahuh haga jylla umdon kam ban khuslai jingbut yathu ka state level coordinator jongko oil marketing companies OMCS hame khalaya ka Sashwati Mudui haka jing yakren chikilat phatai kubor kala pensai pajpa baka jing penbiang LPG bat ki wei kimar petroleum haka jylla kadanglong ka babiang umdon jingduna
number with the connection. So the moment you have the mobile number with your connection, our confirmation is through mobile number only. So the moment mobile number is available, the consumer will be able to give us a confirmation. It is like any other product, like if you are buying something from Amazon or from Flipkart. What you have to give them a code. The similar kind of code nowadays we are insisting that once you receive a cylinder, you have to give that code to the distributors, so that we are satisfied that the cylinder is going to the right consumer.
Any other documents besides Aadhaar? Because Aadhaar they are asking.
No, see, this is a mandate of the government that for PMOI consumers, you have to do the eKYC process. The eKYC process, Aadhaar is a mandatory document. So for PMOI consumers, it will continue to be, Aadhaar will be required.
But here you know, many are not.
That issue is actually already, I think, Sir can give a brief on that.
We've taken up an IC campaign with all the stakeholders, and then we are encouraging people to come forward and link their Aadhaar. So that's about it.
Another issue.